To reset the color of text or some cell text, we can do in Google Sheet very easily. In this video I am going to show you. So this is one of the cell where the text color is different compared to other color. All other colors are like black or red, but this is completely different color. So we want to reset the text color or uh, something like that we want to do. To do this thing, at first we need to select the cell which we want to change or reset. Then we have to come to the color text or text color icon. We just need to click here and then it will bring all the color template is there. But our target was to reset this thing, right? So we have to choose the first option, reset. Once we click here, we'll see it goes back to default state of this Google Sheet. And that's it. In this way we can easily reset the cell color or portion of the text of each cell color.